Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best Efuy security camera available right now. The Efuy Security eufyCam E330 Professional 4Cam Kit. If you're looking for a high-quality, reliable security system that offers crystal-clear 4K video, 24/7 recording, and advanced AI features, this might just be the perfect fit for your home or business. Starting with the video quality, the eufyCam E330 delivers stunning 4K resolution, capturing every detail with incredible clarity, day or night. Thanks to its ultra-sensitive sensor and color night vision, you get vibrant, true-to-life footage even in low-light conditions. The wide 138-degree field of view ensures you cover a large area with each camera, minimizing blind spots and giving you peace of mind. One of the standout features of this system is the cross-camera tracking powered by Eufy's Bionic Mind AI. Instead of having to sift through hours of footage from multiple cameras, the AI seamlessly tracks people as they move across different camera views. It even offers facial recognition, which can differentiate between family members and strangers, making event review much faster and more efficient. Installation is simple and convenient. These cameras are plug-in powered with a 16.4-foot cable, so you won't have to worry about batteries running out. The Wi-Fi connectivity is stable, supporting up to 82 feet between the cameras and the Homebase 3, and covering up to 5,000 square feet of space. This wide wireless range means you can easily set up the system wherever power is available, without complicated wiring or network dropouts. Speaking of the Homebase 3, it comes pre-installed with a 1 TB hard drive that provides local storage for your recordings. This enables continuous 24/7 recording of up to 4 cameras for about 10 days. If you need even more storage, you can expand it up to 16 TB, allowing you to save months of footage locally without any monthly fees. Your data is also protected with advanced encryption, so privacy and security are top priorities. The eufyCam E330 is built tough, featuring IP67 rated weatherproof cameras, which means they can withstand rain, dust, and harsh outdoor conditions. Just remember that the power adapter needs to be shielded from direct exposure to water. The cameras also include built-in spotlights and two-way audio, so you can communicate directly with anyone on your property, whether it's a visitor or a potential intruder. This system integrates with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control and monitor your cameras hands-free. However, it's important to note that it is not compatible with Apple HomeKit at this time. Customization is also a breeze with activity zones and motion detection settings, so you can fine-tune alerts and focus monitoring on specific areas of your property. Whether it's your front door, backyard, or driveway, you get precise control over what you want to keep an eye on. In terms of physical dimensions, each camera is compact and lightweight, making mounting easy on walls or other surfaces. The Homebase 3 is also neatly sized to fit into your home without taking up much space. In summary, the Efuy Security eufyCam E330 Professional 4Cam Kit offers a perfect blend of ultra-high-definition video, smart eye-powered tracking, robust local storage, and weather-resistant design. It's an excellent choice for anyone serious about home security who wants a professional-grade system without monthly fees or complicated setups. If you want a reliable, advanced security camera system that delivers exceptional performance around the clock, this eufyCam E330 kit deserves your serious consideration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech. See you next time.